This is a 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: heated seats, Bluetooth cell phone integration, traction control and stability control systems, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 3,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.